What makes Meyer's sorting intelligent agent so powerful? This episode, IQF blueberry sorting. Mechanically harvested blueberries are frozen right at the source, but the incoming stream often contains green berries, red berries, shriveled berries, misshapen ones, and leaves, all mixed together. Difficult sorting conditions, low temperatures, moisture, IQF blueberries are prone to clumping. Blueberries are high value, so any loss in yield directly impacts profitability. Manual sorting is labor-intensive and still prone to errors. One missed impurity can affect product quality and customer trust. The solution arrives. The Meyer KE series IQF fruit and vegetable sorting agent is here. Today, we introduce the Meyer KE series IQF fruit and vegetable sorting intelligent agent. Key advantages: fully washable body, high yield, high throughput, auto self-check on power on with intelligent alerts for any anomalies. Select a recipe and you're ready to run. Specially designed large vibrator and acceleration curve ensure even, non-clogging product flow. This intelligent agent is equipped with UHD imaging system. The AI model is equipped with an adhesion label for clumped blueberries, allowing clumps to be rejected during sorting. Automotive-grade computing power, clearer vision, smarter judgment, faster sorting. Finished blueberries are uniform in color. Clumps, green berries, red berries, shriveled ones, misshapen fruits, and leaves, all accurately rejected. Operators can hose down the entire machine without powering off, enabling seamless product changeovers. Beyond blueberry, multiple preset programs are available for various fruits and vegetables, chunks, dices, slices, and strips, all sorted with ease. Meyer's next-generation intelligent sorting agent. Pioneer AI agent era. Redefine global sorting. Contact us to book a priority demo.